Hey travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on an incredible journey to uncover the unique lifestyle of Turkey. Turkey is that magical spot where the East meets the West, and its lifestyle is an amazing blend of rich traditions and modern vibes. Let's dive in, family and social life. In Turkey, family is everything. Whether you're in the bustling streets of Istanbul or a quiet village in Anatolia, you'll see tight-knit families everywhere. Multi-generational households are the norm here. Grandparents, parents, kids, all under one roof with deep respect for elders. And Turkish hospitality is legendary. If you visit, expect to be showered with K, which is Turkish tea, or kahve, Turkish coffee. Turning it down, kind of rude, just so you know. Food and cuisine food is the heartbeat of Turkish daily life. Imagine starting your day with kahvaltı, a Turkish breakfast loaded with fresh bread, cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggs, honey, and spicy sukuk sausage. Lunch and dinner, think hearty kebabs, pide, which is like Turkish pizza, and kofte meatballs. And don't forget the meze, small appetizer plates that are perfect for sharing. Street food like simit and durum wraps are a hit too, work and business culture. Turkey's work culture is vibrant and dynamic. Cities like Istanbul, Ankara and Izmir are bustling economic hubs. Business here is all about trust and personal connections. Meetings? They often kick off with tea or coffee and some good conversation. Even though punctuality is valued, a warm, relaxed approach goes a long way. Fashion and clothing fashion in Turkey varies widely. In cities, think European trends, chic and modern. Many women wear Western-style clothing, while some prefer modest attire with headscarves. In the countryside, traditional wear like shalwar pants and headscarves are more common. Special occasions call for stunning traditional outfits like bindali for women and Ottoman-style suits for men. Entertainment and leisure. Turkish people know how to have a good time. Urbanites love their cafes, theatres, shopping malls and cultural events. Traditional Turkish baths or hammams are still a fantastic way to unwind. Sports, especially football, are huge here. The rivalry between clubs like Galatasaray, Fenerbahce and Besiktas is intense. In rural areas, folk music, storytelling and picnics near rivers and mountains are popular pastimes. Religious and cultural practices, Turkey is secular with a Muslim majority population. Islam plays a significant role, with many observing prayers and fasting during Ramadan. But Turkish society is diverse. Some people strictly follow religious customs, while others live more secular lifestyles. Cultural festivals like Nowruz and the Whirling Dervishes Festival add to the rich tapestry of Turkish life. And there you have it, Turkey's unique lifestyle in a nutshell. From family bonds and delicious cuisine to vibrant work culture and rich traditions, Turkey is a fascinating place where the old and new beautifully blend. Until next time, happy travels.